What if your money could tell you why it leaves your pocket so quickly? This video unlocks money's mind in 6 minutes, but I hope you will stay for 7. We are talking about the psychology of money. It is the hidden story behind your bank account. It is the unseen force that guides your spending, saving, investing. But did you ever wonder why incredibly smart people make such bad money choices? We will let that question linger for a moment. First, let me tell you exactly what you are going to learn in the next few minutes. You are going to discover the simple, often invisible reasons behind your financial behaviors. You will learn why you do what you do with your money. More importantly, you will learn what goes wrong when our brains follow their natural instincts. Then, you will get clear, actionable ideas on what to do instead. There are no complex spreadsheets here. There are no long lists of budgeting rules you will forget by next Tuesday. This approach is different. It is about understanding your own mind. It is about recognizing the emotional currents that pull your dollars in different directions. This knowledge is not just about getting richer. It is about feeling calmer and more in control of your financial life. This view will feel unusual because it focuses on small behavioral changes that have an outsized impact over time. It is not about becoming a different person overnight. It's about working with the person you already are, gently guiding your psychology. Why do we find ourselves buying the same kinds of things again and again, even when we know we probably should not? This is a cycle many people know all too well. It starts with an impulse, a sudden desire for something new. You make the purchase. For a fleeting moment you feel a quick lift, a little jolt of happiness, a little jolt of satisfaction, but then almost as quickly regret creeps in. The bills begin to pile up, a quiet reminder of impulsive choices. Your savings stay stubbornly low, never reaching the goals you set. You might blame prices, or chalk it up to bad luck. The answer is simple. We often buy things because we are trying to buy a feeling. Not just a new shirt, but a momentary hit of confidence. Not just a new gadget, but a signal to ourselves and others that we are doing well, successful. Our brains are hardwired to copy others, especially higher status. Our minds are addicted to fast rewards. The brain loves immediate gratification from a purchase, but dislikes waiting for long-term benefits, like a healthy retirement fund. Understand this pull and you can counteract it. The solution isn't superhuman willpower, it's a pause. Before a non-essential purchase, wait 10 seconds. Take a deep breath, ask what feeling you are chasing. That small reflection can break the impulse. Practice it and you will notice change. You start saving more almost without trying. You avoid buyer's regret more often. Small conscious choices add up to real progress. Impulse buys are like cheap sugary coffee, a quick boost for a minute, but costly by the 3rd month. By pausing, you are not depriving yourself, you are empowering yourself. Choosing long-term well-being over a short-term fix builds real security. Why do we take the time to create detailed financial plans, only to watch them fall apart a few months later? We have all been there. We sit down, filled with motivation, and map out a brilliant budget or a savings strategy. The plan looks perfect on paper. The numbers add up, the goals seem achievable. Then, real life happens. An unexpected car repair, a sudden change in income. We lose track. Debt creeps back. Long-term goals fade to the horizon. The core reason our plans fail: we design them for a person who does not exist. Our perfectly rational, disciplined superhero future self. We assume easy, logical choices forever. We fail to account for future stress, future temptations, future exhaustion. The key is not hoping for future discipline. It is designing a system today that helps and protects that future self. Guardrails for who we will be. Do not rely on future willpower. Create simple rules and systems now. The most powerful tool: automation. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings and to your investment account the day you get paid. That way, money is saved before you can spend it. Use simple limits too, like never carrying a credit card balance. When life throws a curveball, automation and simple rules stay in place. They work quietly in the background, building wealth. The benefit? You save consistently without thinking. The mental energy once spent on tracking is freed up. Stress begins to drop. You are no longer fighting daily impulse battles. Your automated system lifts the weight. You start winning more days than you lose, creating a resilient financial foundation. Why does looking at other people's financial lives make you feel poorer, even if you are fine? In our hyper-connected world, it is an easy trap. You scroll a curated gallery of highlights. Beautiful vacations, new cars, perfectly renovated homes. A subtle pressure builds. You chase a life that looks like theirs, even if it does not match your values or income. Spending climbs to keep up. Social comparison is human, but with money, it is rigged. Your income, debts, family, and goals are yours. Following their map is heading to a city you do not want to visit. Decide what you want your money to do for you. Define what wealth and success mean personally. Freedom to travel, debt-free security, retiring early or working less. Once clear, use your numbers as your benchmark, not someone else's Instagram. No need to delete apps. Treat them as entertainment, not instruction. When you stop playing the game, you feel freedom. You spend on what matters to you, not to impress others. You save with purpose for your real future. You step off the treadmill and walk your own path, more content and financially secure with every step. Now, back to our opening question. Why do smart people make bad money choices? Intelligence and good financial behavior are not the same. Fear, greed, social pressure, no spreadsheet can outmath a midnight impulse. So, pause before you buy. Make simple rules and automate them. Expect fear, plan for it. Not wizardry, just small questions and repeatable answers. Take one calm step today. Open your banking app. Set one tiny automatic transfer. The amount matters less than setting the system. Start with just one.